The prosperity and stability of China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region is evident to all, which is a proof of the wisdom and foresightedness of China's Xinjiang policy. That's according to some Pakistani analysts who attended a seminar at the Comsats University Islamabad on Wednesday. The experts said that the Chinese government has paid special attention to the development of Xinjiang and took timely decisions to eradicate poverty in the region.
Prosperous Xinjiang is on the way, and in the last about more than a decade, China has definitely worked well, and Xinjiang has improved much.
Sultan Mahmood Hali, a Pakistani analyst, said that during his multiple visits to Xinjiang over the years, he has witnessed a great transformation in the livelihood of the people there. He said that Western disinformation on Xinjiang is ill-intentioned.
All the propaganda which is being used by the West only to try to bring China down, because they are the detractors of China. They don't like to see China progressing so well, and the people of China, because you see China has reached a level of development that it is a miracle of the century that absolute poverty has been removed. None of these Western countries have been able to do that.